Hey guys, it is Friday, February the 23rd, 2023, and Romar Beach public beach access has finally reopened. This public beach access is a pay to park. It is $10 for all day parking, cash, credit, debits accepted. It does not dispense change. They've remodeled the parking lot here, repaved it, restriped it, put up this little fence, and also they added a new bathroom facility. Prior to this, it used to be just a couple of little porta potties there. Bathrooms and water fountains. This public beach access is for day use only, and again, it is pay to park. If you're a veteran, you can get a pass from the Gulf State Park, the Gulf State Park headquarters. They give you a little decal that has to be affixed to your window. If you have that, you can park at any of the Gulf State Park beach accesses for free. There's no overnight camping here, no parking overnight. We'll take a walk down the new boardwalk to see what the water's looking like. Overcast, cloudy day today. Still beautiful at the beach any day though. Little shower area to rinse off. This beach access, along with most, if not all of the others, does have the warning flag system here. Red flags are dangerous surf. And the different flags are actually listed on this board here on the other side. You can actually read and see what color flag means what. The little turtle there with a toy box underneath it is where people can leave or pick up toys that people have left after their day at the beach. Someone down there with a kite. These yellow and red marker holes right there, and down there, mark an offshore artificial reef that they put there that you can dive to. I believe it's like 100 yards offshore. I'm not real sure exactly how far out it is. Overcast, but still pretty day at the beach. The beach warning flags. Signs everywhere, don't forget to pay to park. Rip current warnings and the leave only footprints. No glass, no animals, no items left overnight, no metal shovels or tools, no excessive digging over 12 inches. And if you do dig a little hole, be sure to refill it. No tents, canopies south of the marker post and flags, which are those white posts right there. I don't know if you can see it with this camera, but there's a white flag there in the distance that marks the line, and right there where that sign is. People out walking, fishing, metal detecting. A few people over here searching for shells. And that's just a quick little look here at the Romar Beach public beach access. It has reopened today, February the 23rd, 2023. Thank you for watching the videos, and thank you for subscribing.